Check on that first alert weather because, Aaron, we are just watching the chance of some storms tonight and into tomorrow morning.
Yeah, so the strong to severe storm possibility, it's still there, but I think for tonight the storms are going to be farther to the north and west of us here in North Texas. It's going to be more widespread for your morning commute, though, bringing the threats of damaging winds and mainly damaging winds and large hail. There's a low-end tornado risk, but I would be more concerned about the wind threat and the hail threat with what we see tomorrow morning. But there's not much going on with first alert radar right now. Good news, right? Because it's warm, it's windy. We have a few showers just to the north and west, kind of right along the Red River. You can see just to the north of Bellevue, to the east of Henrietta here. Bowie is clear, Montague is clear. There have been severe thunderstorms kind of setting up from Wichita Falls all the way up to Tulsa and then to the north of Springdale as well. All associated with this frontal system. It's kind of stalled out for right now, but it's going to move in as we make our way into tomorrow morning. So there's a severe thunderstorm watch right now. It does not include any of our counties here in North Texas, just a little farther to the north and west, parts of West Texas and up into Oklahoma as well. This watch goes until 11 o'clock in the evening. I do think we'll likely have some sort of watch as we make our way into tomorrow morning, but the timing over the next several hours, the rain chances, it's pretty limited at about 10%. You see, though, by 2 a.m., that's likely when we'll have a watch issued. You've got that rain and storm coverage picking up to 50%, and then by 5 a.m., 90% coverage. So this does look like it's going to be an active morning, at least for some of us here in North Texas. So looking at first alert futurecast as we head into the overnight hours, we watch out to the west for that storm line to really get going. This may pass near Graham, Bowie, maybe even areas closer to Bridgeport and Mineral Wells. So we'll watch that. I think that would have a large hail and a damaging wind threat, but that's mainly before midnight, kind of in that 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. time frame. Once we get past 2 a.m., then we watch to the south and west of the Metroplex for our main line of storms to roll in. I think after 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, making our way into our western counties, moving very quickly to the east, but once it gets to I-35, it kind of slows down a little bit. This is a slow-moving frontal system. So here we are at about 5:30 in the morning. You still have heavy rain from Sherman to McKinney, Denton, Dallas, Fort Worth, all the way down to Cleburne and Hillsborough as well. Once we get this cold front to swing through, I think the severe weather threat passes and it kind of pushes a little farther to the east, but we'll still have some stronger storms that could produce some gusty winds, some small hail and some brief heavy rain, I think, as we head past 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, closer to about 11 a.m. And then once we get past 11, this threat is moving east. This is going to be an issue for the Mississippi Valley as we make our way into tomorrow, but you notice once we get past about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we've got sunshine here in North Texas. It'll still be breezy with our west winds and temperatures expected still to warm to near 80 degrees. So it's warm tomorrow despite our weather alert. Warm into the weekend. Sunny on Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday. We'll still keep the 70s around on Monday as well, Nicole, but I think by Tuesday, a little bit of a dip in those highs back into the 60s.
I think we'll be okay because we're maintaining the sunshine for the next year.
There you go.
So positive outlook, right? Thank you.